Alrighty, artists. So what I also wanted to show you very quickly is how to add pictures to your Photoshop document. So let's say I want to add a picture of one of the projects I've done in the past or one that we'll work on this year. I can go up to File in the corner and I will go all the way down to Place Embedded. And from here, that is where I will search for my pictures. I know on my desktop I have one of myself, so I will click that picture and it will show up in my document. I can then click the corners where the little white boxes are and I can move that around to make it smaller or bigger in my document. And I can go back to my crop tools, change it to my move tool if I left click. Make sure I'm on move, and then I can kind of move that around my page if I would like. Put that over there for now. So again, to add a picture, File, Place Embedded, and then you can find your picture in your documents. I will add one of our projects we'll be doing this year for fun, and because I saw Marshmallow, first row, one of my favorites. So make that bigger or smaller depending on what size you want it to be. Click the move tool and move that where I would like it. So at this point you can kind of do a collage and add some images in there as well. Being that I love to travel, I might go in and add maybe a picture of one of my travel trips that I've taken. And I believe I have one right in our Digital 7 file from our trip to Munising. I actually edited the photo here. And I can move that around, make it smaller. And edit that as well. So you can have some fun adding any pictures in there that help describe you. You can put fun facts about you. I told you prior to this that I would tell you about my cats, since they are my life. And through this project, we'll get to know each other a little bit better, being that it's my first year with all of you, so have fun with it. We need to make that definitely smaller, so I can edit that. Size down. Ooh, too small. And then I can move that around once I have it in there. Let's see, what's another fun fact? I am a first place demo derby winner. That could be a fun one that no one knows. I can change the color again, have some fun, maybe do some yellow. So just walking you through a few different things. Man, if I could find a picture of my demo derby, that'd be something fun to put in here too. So have fun with it, creating your collage. I definitely think that 3 to 5 pictures is great, and I would say as much fun facts as you can add in the time that we have. So keep having fun with it. If we look over at our layer bar, one thing I wanted to show you here is if it gets to be too much to have all these layers and you're getting confused, what you can do is click layers and kind of combine them together. So if I click on my first one, my text, and then maybe I want to put all of my text in one folder, I can click the first one, click Shift, click the second one. You'll see both of them are highlighted, and then I can actually group both of those layers together. So I can then click Control G for group, and then I can call this group text. Okay, then down here maybe I can shift, click my second one and combine the pictures into one. So then Control G again, and then I can call this one my pictures folder. I can add my waterfall to the pictures folder by dragging it in. And then you'll notice it's much more organized. And then this layer I can double click and just call my background. So now if I want to go into that folder, I just click that little arrow and then all of my different selections will pop up in there, all my pictures. So kind of fun. Alright, so have fun with it. Add as many fun facts as you can, and remember with Photoshop just to be patient and kind of work a little bit slower than you would expect. And then when you are finished, you will just click File, and then you can actually save as, save on your computer, and you can actually create, if you'd like, a little file on your desktop that has all your Digital 7 projects in there. So I'm going to just call it Text Collage in my name so we know whose it is, and then click Save. The other thing too, if it's a working document and you need to go back and make edits, save it as a Photoshop document. But if you're done with it, you can save it as a JPEG before you submit it to me. When you're done though, for now just leave it up as Photoshop document. And then just click OK if any notification boxes pop up.